Hey there, homeowners! Ever wondered how your air conditioner keeps you cool during those scorching summer days? Well, let's break it down. First off, your AC works a bit like your fridge. It doesn't just blow cold air. It actually removes heat from the room. Pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. Inside your AC unit, there's a special fluid called refrigerant. This refrigerant moves through coils and goes through a cycle of evaporation and condensation. When it evaporates, it absorbs heat from the air inside your home. This process cools down the air. Now the warm air from your house is drawn into the AC unit by a fan. It passes over the evaporator coils filled with the cold refrigerant. As the air cools down, it's blown back into your room, making it nice and chilly. Meanwhile, the absorbed heat from your home is transferred to the refrigerant. Next, the refrigerant, now warm, travels to the outdoor unit. Here, it passes through the condenser coils and releases the heat outside. Thanks to another fan, the heat dissipates into the air. The refrigerant cools down again and is ready to start the cycle all over. And that's how your AC keeps you cool. It's all about moving heat out and bringing cool air in. So next time you're relaxing in your perfectly chilled home, you'll know the amazing science working behind the scenes. If you found this explanation cool, pun intended, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome insights. Catch you in the next video.